Morning, everyone. My name is Tyrone Kelly, and I'm the author of this beautiful essay that you're about to read. When I first encountered this essay, I was very unsure on how to approach it. But as I began to write, the words, they really started to form. In which they started to form, I began to utilize lessons from earlier modules, from paraphrasing to summarizing, properly editing, and using quotes. It really helped me out to complete this essay. The writing process, all in all, was a journey that I was willing to take on, and it all came together. And also, writing this essay led me to a greater understanding in the writing process. So I'm asking you to take your time. This was a labor of love, and enjoy Textbook and Tiger.